Welcome. In this third video of the series, we are moving forward from the Earth Engine and Google Cloud setup. Here you are going to learn how to set up a professional local environment from scratch, starting with Python and VS Code, installing necessary extensions, and then we will organize the project with a clean directory structure. Let's get started. First, we need to install Python on our system. So go to python.org and download the latest stable version. If you are on Windows, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path before clicking the install. Once installed, open your terminal and verify the installation by typing python space -- version. If you see the version number printed, Python is installed correctly. Next, we need a code editor. A code editor is the software where we write and manage our program files. In this, we will use Visual Studio Code. Go to the official website and download Visual Studio Code. Install it on your computer. Once installation is complete, open Visual Studio Code. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see a vertical menu bar. Click on the extension icon. In the search bar at the top, type Python. Install it. It helps VS Code run your code, identify errors, and manage environments. Next, install Pylance. This gives you better code suggestion and identifying errors to improve accuracy. Now let's create a project folder. Open your terminal and type mkdir and the project name WebGIS-app. Then open VS Code Editor and open the created folder. Now we are inside our clean project directory. This will be the base structure for the entire course. Inside the project folder, we create a virtual environment. This isolates dependencies specifically for this project. Then on the terminal, type python venv and environment name. This creates an environment folder. Then to activate the environment, on Windows you can type venv /scripts /activate. If you are on Linux or Mac, you can type source venv bin activate. Once activated, you should see venv in your terminal. This means we are now working inside Python environment. However, in phase 5 cloud deployment, the server will automatically build its own environment. Now let's install the required packages. Pip install earthengine-api Flask. These are the only two packages we need right now. After installation, we create a requirements file using pip freeze requirements.txt. This records all installed dependencies. Now our folder structure should look like this. Inside WebGIS space app directory should have venv folder and requirements.txt file. Now let's create two Python files, app.py and config.py. Config.py handles our Earth Engine handshake, the connection and the login. The app.py is a web server that uses Flask to display geospatial data. So we keep this separate because for this local deployment, we are using a personal login to authenticate and initialize Earth Engine. Later in phase 5, we will switch to a professional cloud setup by only updating the config.py file without having to change much in app.py file. So the final project structure will be WebGIS space app folder. Within that, requirements.txt, venv folder, config.py, app.py. In this video, we set up our local development environment, installed the required tools, and created a clean project structure. In the next video, we will dive into the code configuration using Earth Engine authentication in config.py and build our first Flask server in app.py. Stay tuned. Happy mapping!